I'm Jason Stock, and I'm the general manager of Still Life in Montreal. Still Life is a cocktail bar located in the heart of Old Montreal. Been open for 5 years. We have two different vibes kind of nestled into one night. We have a little cocktail calm vibe from 8 till around 10, 11. And then from 11 till 3 o'clock, we really turn up the party and super fun. The hesitations we had about WISK was the fact that we were doing pen and paper Excel, and then we'd have to try an app. It wouldn't work, revert back to Excel and back and forth. So it was a big yo-yo effect that never really got resolved. My initial reaction when first joining WISK, super positive. The fact that I was able to get my first inventory set up within a few hours. All we needed was our cell phone and a Bluetooth scale. And we were done within an hour or so. It was great. One of the things I love about WISK is the visibility. I'm able to track our profitability. We're able to track if bottles are short or over, see what bottles are missing. We're also able to track our sales through our point of sales system. One of the things I love is that inventory now takes half the time it used to with the pen and paper. Now it's great. Instead of entering all our invoices manually, we just take a picture and it goes directly into the app. I love the fact that I could get the variance report every day, because this way I don't have to wait a week to see if I'm making money or not. I could check how good every night was, sales-wise and variance-wise. Technology helps the bar business because all of our records that we keep is electronic. So we're able to send it to partners, bartenders, managers, way easier than just having it on a paper. Also, we're able to save them and we keep them forever. Whereas if we have it in a book or something happens, all our records are gone. With WISK, it made it that much easier because all we needed was a scale and a phone. WISK is super user-friendly. You sign in, email, password, everything's labeled very clearly. And also, if you need help doing your inventory and you want to maximize your time here, you could even have 2, 3, 4 people weighing bottles at the same time. Absolutely, I'd recommend WISK to anybody who has a restaurant bar who is looking forward to making life easier for them.